Hi guys, so this is Freedom Adventure Park in Canal Walk. We just put our POS system in, which is a rent to own. They're just using it for the Swam rewards. This is based in Canal Walk, alright? As you can see, it's a big mall, a lot of entrances. So I'm just gonna come through here. You guys can just. So the point of sale, the tablet, is just gonna be used for Swam rewards. Training and stuff hasn't been done with the client, thank you, because Swam Rewards will do the training with them, as far as I know. But this is Adventure Park in Canal Walk. It's for kids. They well known for their their fun activities to do with kids. This is the play area. Got a restaurant here. Right, and then you got your toilets on that side, and there you go. This is where the staff stands to make their sales, and then we got your office, right? And then our tablet is here, the point of sale, which is here.